When we are putting ourselves down, there's a voice in our head. It's lived with you probably since before you had a diagnosis and you were making mistakes and didn't know why and were having trouble in school or had trouble making friends or had trouble at home and um, it started on what's wrong with me? Why can't I? I should be able to. That voice developed at a time when it thought it was protecting you from pain and hurt and shame. And here you are now. You are a more mature person. And it's time to turn the volume down on that voice and turn the volume up on a different voice. The voice is, I'm making an effort. That's better than nothing. That's better than not doing it at all. I'm engaging the help of my friend to sit with me on the phone while I clean the house so I'm not alone. Some things are really hard for me, and that's okay. I'm learning. We need a different voice. And that voice has to come from the part of you, the deep inner knowing part of you